In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to see how many hours you've played a game on PS4 on your Fortnite. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you are probably aware, on the PlayStation 5 and on the Epic Game Store on your computer, if you hover over Fortnite, you can see the exact amount of hours you have played it for. It will give you the number at your playtime under the game title. However, is there a way to do the same and check how many hours you have played a game on the PlayStation 4? Sadly, as of today, even if you use the console itself or something like the mobile app, the PlayStation 4 does not allow you to see how many hours you have played a game for because it does not track the amount of hours you have played it for. You can only check on the PlayStation 5 or, like I said, using the Epic Game Store on your computer if you play Fortnite through there. As of today, it is not possible to see how many hours you've played Fortnite for on the PlayStation 4 alone. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to see how many hours you have played a game for on the PlayStation 4. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.